Daimler Sovereign Series 1, registration number GVH686L, current registration number, restoration project. Okay, we've got a home and I've done the first stage of the restoration, which was just to clean her up and to preserve her, as in get all the mud off, dirt off and grease her up ready for further work. I'll just give you a little rundown. So it's the front and the side. You see the panel lines are quite good. Rear arches cleaned, sills in fairly good condition, especially this side, very good. Hole in the back there needs sorting out. Rear wheel arch, nothing really of any problems at all in there, all good. Okay, back end of the car. Rear valance obviously is the problem area, as you can see. Maybe not. Boots restored up very nicely indeed. All the panels still on the boot lid. Carpet's in A1 condition, really. Underneath all nice and spanky. Fasteners working for the spare wheel. The wheels are the worst part of the car at the moment. Wheel upholstery shelf restored up nicely, and no real problems to speak of on this rear wheel arch either. The flaps are all taken off, which needed to be done. This wheel arch is okay, pretty good. A bit of rust, probably end up a little hole, but all greased up underneath. The sill's pretty good nick. All the chrome's come up nicely. This wheel arch here is pretty good. The hole in this front here, and this filler panel here rotted off at the bottom, but not too bad. At the moment, drying out the carpet. All good in here. Dashboard very nice indeed. No splitting of the veneer, no fading, cracking, crazing. Door panels came up beautiful as well. As well as a slight bit of cracking on the armrest. Other than that, all good. Here we are with the mileage, which we believe to be original. 37,799. The clock actually works just about. Most of the switch gear working. A couple of the map light switch not working currently. A few sticky thingies. Stereo 8 radio mobile, original. Ashtray's cleaned up quite nicely. Inside the glove box, a couple of 8 tracks there. See, door panels came up nice. Let's show you inside the glove box. Everything functioning lovely. Veneer on the wood perfect. So there we are. All good. Usual headlining issues. Needs a headlining in it. Dash came up beautiful. No cracks, craziness. Greased up under the engine bay, but under the bonnet's fairly good nick. wheels very dry. I don't have enough stuff to put on there, unfortunately. Not too bad in there. Like I say, this is now just all oiled up and greased up, ready for phase 2. I'll show you the other side quickly. All oiled up. Temporary battery in situ, bulkhead all seems fine. Chassis legs and everything all seem fine. First inspection. Okay. So, there you are. Phase 1 complete. Wait for phase 2.